Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Summer Palette. I was hesitant in purchasing this palette, but I have to say I really am glad that I did. The colors in there are so beautiful. They all work really well together. They blend well together. And a lot of the shimmers that she has in there are really different from any of the other palettes that I have. So enough talking. If you'd like to see how to get this look, keep watching. So as you can see, I've already primed my eye. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can use whatever concealer you want. And I'm going to go into my first transition color, and that is going to be this light color on the end, and it is called Always In. It's this color right here. So I'm going to take that and put that all over my eyelid space, my crease, my lid, everything. These colors do have a bit of fallout, so just make sure that you do your eyes first before your face makeup. If you have to do your face makeup first, then just make sure that you definitely use a shadow shield, and you also probably want to put like some extra translucent powder so that you can just wipe it away when it gets on that. The next one I'm going into is this one right here, and it's called Blazing. So I'm going to apply that all in my crease. And the colors really blend very well. They work well together. I hate it when I get a palette and the colors don't work well or they don't blend well, and I have to like move into another palette to try to make it work. But this one actually works pretty good. So at this point, I'm just going back and forth between those two colors and just making sure everything's nice and seamless. So now I'm going to go into my third transition color, and it's this one on the end next to that dark color. It's called Aquaholic. So this time I'm going to take a smaller tapering brush, and I'm going to go in and put that right pretty much like underneath. And I'm even going to take it and put it on the outer V part. So now basically it's just a process of going back and forth between all those colors to get the color payoff that I want and to also make it blend and come together seamlessly. So now for the lid, I'm going to take this top color right here that's third from the end. It's called Hottie. Before I apply that color, I'm going to go into my liquid sugar eye candy. That's this. And I'm going to apply that all over the lid space of where I'm going to put that shimmer color. And just lightly just tap it. So if you have hooded eyes or any kind of fold, this is just going to make sure that that lid color is going to stay right there on your lid and not transition into your crease. So I just wipe my brush off, go into that color. Whoa. I love it. I love a nice bright shimmer color. So now to add a little bit of pop to my lid, I'm going to go into this top color here that's called Bikini Mama. And I'm just going to take that and put that on the inner corner. Just right there. So now for my final color, I'm going into Sun Kiss. I believe that's what it's called, Sun Kiss. It is this color right here. And I'm going to take that and put that right in my crease. right over the other two colors that we used. And now I'm just going to take a clean brush and just make sure everything's brought together. So off camera, I applied black liner and mascara. I also wanted to say that I added a different color or an additional color in the crease. As I was doing my mascara, I realized I wanted to darken up the crease a little bit. So I actually, from the palette, added this end color right here, and it's called Beach Babe. So now to finish the under eye, I'm only using one color, and that's this color on the end, second from the end, that's Aquaholic. And I'm gonna put that, I'm using a pencil brush, and I'm just gonna smudge that right underneath on that lower lash line. And then I lied, I said I was gonna use one color. I'm actually gonna use, right here in the corner, I'm using this end shimmer color. And I'm just gonna apply that right there in the corner. And a little mascara. I'm using my L'Oreal Double Extend mascara. It's got the primer on one side, that's this white side. And the mascara on the other side. So to finish off with the lips, I'm going to use a lip liner from MAC, and it's called Chestnut. And I'm just going to line my lips with that. And I'm actually just going to fill them all in with this color. So the lip gloss that I'm going to use is called Go Bananas. Looks like that. And I'm just going to put that right over that lip liner. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you next time.